Power supply installation. Crew. Step 1. Open the release handle. Ensure that the release handle on the power supply is in its fully open position. The handle should extend away from the power supply. Step 2. Position the power supply. Position and insert the power supply. Slide the power supply into the opening until it stops. Caution: do not force the power supply in past the point where it slides easily. Step 3. Engage and set the power supply. Ensure that the pawl on the right side of the handle is aligned with the opening on the sidewall of the power supply slot. Push the end of the release handle to the left until it clicks. Caution: pinch point. Keep your fingers clear of the back side of the lever and the lever hinges.